Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 of my Revit tutorial series. Today I will explain how to create grids in Revit and how to align them properly. Grids are one of the most important elements in any BIM model as they help in maintaining accuracy and coordination across all disciplines. Let's get started. A grid is a reference line used to define the structural layout of the building. It acts as a guidelines for placing elements such as columns, walls, beams, and MEP services. Grids ensure that all elements are properly aligned and positioned according to the design. In most projects, grids are labeled using alphabets in one direction and numbers in the other direction, which helps in easy identification and coordination. Grids play a very important role in building modeling. They help maintain consistency and alignment throughout the project. They are also essential for coordination between architectural, structural, and MEP discipline. Without proper grids, it becomes very difficult to place elements accurately and it may lead to errors in construction drawings. Now let us see how to create grids in Revit. Just first go to the architectural tab and select the grid tool. After selecting the grid tool, click the drawing area and draw a straight line. This line represents a grid. You can create multiple grids based on your project requirements. After creating the grids, you can rename them typically. Grids are named as ABC in one direction and 1 to 3 in the other direction. You can also modify the grid length and position using grep. ensure that grids are placed at proper spacing based on the design. Now let us understand how to align grids properly. Proper alignment of grids is very important to maintain accuracy in the model. To align grids, go to the Modify tab and select the Align tool. First, select the reference grid that is already correctly placed. Then select the grid that needs to be aligned. The selected grids will automatically align with the reference grid. You can also use a temporary dimension and snapping features to ensure precise alignment. Then it is recommended to check grid alignment in multiple views such as plan view and elevation view. Maintaining equal spacing and proper positioning of grid is essential for all well organized model. Some common mistakes while working with the grids include misalignment, incorrect naming, and inconsistent spacing. These mistakes can create confusion in drawings and affect coordination between different disciplines. Therefore, it is important to regularly check and maintain grid accuracy. To summarize, grids are essential reference elements used to organize and align a building model. Creating grids correctly and aligning them properly ensures accuracy, consistency, and better coordination in the project. Thank you for watching. This is part 5 of my Revit tutorial series. In the next video, I will explain more practical concepts in Revit. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you.